Hello. Again, with that another one topic that we have to discuss. It's called that is breathing robot. Just to think about if a robot is having that breathing, it seems to be that weird. But soon, this kind of the things will happen due to that advancement in robotics development. Actually, the real life of the robots is refers to their presence and functionality in various aspects of our daily lives. The robots are becoming increasingly integrated into our society, and it's giving its support in wide varieties of that industries, in healthcare industries, in hotel industries, and many more kind of that industries. Now the robots are playing a very vital role. So some examples of that robots being utilized in that real life is the breathing robot. So why we are talking about that is that breathing robot means it's having that simulation, or it's having that mimic how that a human being is making the breathing, so through by the reciprocity systems. So it's giving a living organism for our human being. So the meanwhile, we have to be understand very clear about how that living organism of that lungs is working. So such kind of the things that has been replicated into the breathing robot. So main utilization of that breathing robot comes under the category of that medical research. In breathing robots are used in that medical research to simulate human respiration, so what I said earlier, and also study the respiratory mechanics, and it can able to replace that lung function and simulate the breathing patterns to aid in the development testing of new medical devices such as ventilators or inhalers. So in case if you are developing such kind of breathing robot, it is easy for the patients to get the replica for that for their lungs. So how now how the dialysis machine is making that alternative to kidneys. In meanwhile, we have to be go with that alternative breathing device like breathing robot. And meanwhile, the breathing robot is giving that respiratory therapy. So the breathing robots can be utilized in respiratory therapy to assist the patients with breathing difficulties. It can able to simulate breathing patterns and provide controlled airflow or pressure to support or monitor the patients during that therapy sessions. And meanwhile, this kind of that breathing robots needs appropriate testings, and it needs certain miles to go for its quality and its efficiency. So still that research is going on in this kind of robots. So presently now this kind of breathing robots making the simulation in aspects of that human respiration, and also it's giving that is the biological process and that requirements for that oxygen exchange as living organisms. So they are designed to replicate the breathing mechanics for specific purposes rather than to serve as independent living entities. So thank you.